Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 5 divided times 5. So are you ready to solve? So let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority. So we have to work from left to right. So first this division and then division and here finally multiplication. So 5 divided 5 times 5. So this gives us 1 divided 5 times 5. So we will write it as 1 divided 5 times 5. Now we can easily cancel this 5 with 5. So the solution of this problem is 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.